What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Mud Tire Media, where today we have a new episode, and this is going to be called the Wheelbase Battle. All right, so what we have going on is we've got the two-door TJ trying to survive in the heat. My transmission decides to start dumping fluid versus the four-door JK.
When you're running your locker lines, account for the FlexiFlex.
Now, I will say this might be a little unfair considering the fact that I have stretched the TJ's wheelbase by like 11 inches, but we're still short wheelbase, so it's all good. But there's another big reason we're back here, and that's because this guy destroyed his JK the last time he was on it. It was destroyed.
No, I did have to tow it home.
It was towed home.
A lot of winch time.
It was destroyed. It was destroyed. So we're back. This is going to be the redemption run for this JK, which, by the way, is an amazing build. Now, here's why this is such a good face-off. My TJ is built on 1 tons. His JK is built on 1 tons. But here's the big deal. I'm running air lockers from Yukon. He's running air lockers from ARB. I'm running 40-inch Cooper STT Pros. This guy's running 40-inch Cooper STT Pros. We are very similar. We're both running long arm kits. We're both really similar in a lot of ways except wheelbase. And everyone tries to say that their wheelbase is the best. Today, we're gonna find out.
There's also driver mod. I'll let you know right now, I don't like the skinny pedal. I may or may not break stuff. This guy will probably send it.
Yeah. Now, this is 93B at Beasley Knob. This is the hardest trail they have, and it claims a lot of Jeeps. All right, you ready to go?
Oh yeah, we're gonna see what else we broke. I already, nicked the air locker line. It's taped up, has silicone, a couple zip ties.
It's working.
It's gonna be fun. We're gonna send it.
We are gonna get into this run. I can't wait to beat this trail. So we talked about it, and we're actually gonna move our starting point up just a little bit up the trail where the first obstacles actually get to be real obstacles and not just a long trail. All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Go rock crawling. It means cardio. If you walk the trail, you burn a calorie.
Three, 2, 1, go. These are the rocks that get slick. Woo-hoo! I'm just waiting for him to work on the air on his tires. He thought that they might be not low enough. So he checked those out to see if what his air pressure actually was, and they're all correct, but then we had a valve stem that wasn't sealing, so then it just completely deflated. So now I had to fix that and re-inflate it, and then we are getting back on this trail. You're still good behind you. You're still on the trail, you're still good. There it goes. See right there, he was just stuck digging on all four at the same time where he was at, just a little repositioning, and he was way better off. Now I gotta get out of his way.
And a few moments later,
You've got a massive boulder under your control arm stuck. You're gonna climb this boulder. You good? Shoot! On this side, like, if that thing climbed the rock, it's already so off camber. Oh, it looks bad. There you go. There you go. There it is. See how that rock catches you? Woo-hoo! You got a good line there. All right, punch it. That longer wheelbase is kicking him right now, but he forgot his winch bag, so we're gonna grab mine and get him moving again. Find a good spot to winch him up this hill. He just keeps getting hung up on a couple rocks down there that are not letting his wheelbase get by. So, whew. And this is one steep rock garden, so it is exhausting to go up and down. There you go. Let it keep rolling. Your rear locker's not on. All right, so I spoke a little too soon. This rock is completely screwing me up. I've tried every angle. I've tried detecting that. Oh yeah. That's so much for that. I thought I was more suited to a tight trail, and it's not so working. Look at killer. Run it on that wall like I was doing, and try to force it up that wall to get past that rock. Oh God, he made it. He freaking made it. Dang it, we're tied again. I was sure this one had you. You want to tell them what you had to figure out to make all this so much better?
So the JK, if you just leave it in drive, kills power every time going from first to second. It just instantly jumps in the second, instantly wants to jump in the third. Threw it in the manual, you have to find the rev limiter and switch the gears out. That's the only way I made it up.
Oh, dude, that rocked right through it, no problem.
Yeah, we might need to do some inspecting on what may or may not have broke.
No, let's not talk about that.
What did he just say?
Yeah. Now I gotta do it, damn it.
All right, so we have made it almost to the end. We are at the hardest part of this trail. It's a large shelf that you have to climb up, and it gets real sketchy in a two-door, so this is not my shining moment. I don't know what we're gonna do. I may be sucking it up and winching this one out if I can't make it over.
I'm gonna make sure it's on video when he rolls this thing.
Oh, shut up.
He'll be good.
Woo! How's you feeling?
Is that wheel still on the ground?
No, it's 2 inches off.
Ugh.
Passenger.
Sure?
Yeah. Just a little. All right. Driver. Driver. Shit.
Well, we got my Jeep up out of the way, but now we've got to do this all over again with Jonathan's Jeep. Hopefully the longer wheelbase helps him out, because my short wheelbase on this hill climb didn't help me one bit. You just winch it from there? Yeah. All right. No! Ugh. Got a rock coming up. A rock's about to pick you up. Coming along. Oh yeah, just missed it.
No, you're spitting fluid of something again.
Oh,
Yeah. You might need to winch it. Ah, shit. It's not gonna go.
All right, so we made it out of that trail, but now we have another obstacle. We got to find our way out of this park before this sun sets. And I don't know which way to get out of here, to be honest. So we'll work this out really quick, find our way out of here. This is supposed to be a day use only place. They don't like you here once the sun goes down. So we got to try to find our way out of here pretty quick. All right, we made it out. We are bruised, we're beaten, but we finished the trail, and that's what matters the most. How many times did you winch?
3, 4?
4. I winched 4. So as far as the wheelbase battle, I guess it's a draw.
It was very slippery, lockers, I don't care what you got.
It became who winches the most, which is pretty fair. And to no surprise, it's equal. I mean,
I may have found the rev limiter a couple times.
A lot of. But anyways, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider clicking the subscribe button. Have a great day in the shop, and I will see you on the trail.
There you will.